Hello, and welcome to Speaker of English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Mia.
Today we have a special episode, a very practical episode.
Practical? What are we doing?
We are going to learn 100 sentences about daily routine. But don't worry, we won't say them all at once. We'll go slowly, together.
Oh, good, because 100 sounds like a lot.
It is a lot, but when you hear them little by little and repeat them, they become yours.
So to everyone listening, thank you for being here. You don't need to write anything down. Just listen, repeat if you want, or just relax and let the English come to you.
And if this helps you, please subscribe, like, or share with a friend who also wants to speak about their day in English.
Why is daily routine so useful?
Because we talk about it every day. What did you do this morning? What's your day like? These are common questions. If you can describe your routine, you can have real conversations.
And today we will learn the sentences in a slow, clear way.
Yes, I'll say a sentence. Mia, you repeat it. Then you, listener, repeat it in your mind or out loud. Nice and slow.
Let's begin.
Part 1. Morning routine. Number 1. I wake up.
I wake up.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I open my eyes.
I open my eyes.
I stretch my body.
I stretch my body.
I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
I make my bed.
I make my bed.
I walk to the bathroom.
I walk to the bathroom.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
I go to the kitchen.
I go to the kitchen.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I drink a cup of tea.
I drink a cup of tea.
I eat my breakfast.
I eat my breakfast.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I pack my bag.
I pack my bag.
I leave home.
I leave home.
That's the first 20. How do you feel?
I feel calm. It's nice to hear them one by one.
And you, listener, you can pause here if you need more time. We'll wait. Ready for more?
Yes.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
I get on the bus.
I get on the bus.
I sit near the window.
I sit near the window.
I arrive at work.
I arrive at work.
I say hello to my colleagues.
I say hello to my colleagues.
I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
I check my emails.
I check my emails.
I start my work.
I start my work.
I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I take a short break.
I take a short break.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I finish my work.
I finish my work.
I say goodbye.
I say goodbye.
I walk to the station.
I walk to the station.
I take the train.
I take the train.
I look out the window.
I look out the window.
I arrive home.
I arrive home.
Another 20 sentences. You're doing great.
How are you feeling? If your mind is tired, you can just listen. No need to repeat everything.
Let's continue with the evening.
I'm ready.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I change my clothes.
I change my clothes.
I relax on the sofa.
I relax on the sofa.
I watch television.
I watch television.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I call my family.
I call my family.
I send a message to a friend.
I send a message to a friend.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I set the table.
I set the table.
I eat dinner with my family.
I eat dinner with my family.
I clear the table.
I clear the table.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I take out the rubbish.
I take out the rubbish.
I walk the dog.
I walk the dog.
I water the plants.
I water the plants.
I do some exercise.
I do some exercise.
I take a warm bath.
I take a warm bath.
I put on my pajamas.
I put on my pajamas.
That's 60 sentences now. Halfway.
It's like we're building a whole day with words.
Now we go to the end of the day.
Bedtime, my favorite.
I sit on my bed.
I sit on my bed.
I turn on the lamp.
I turn on the lamp.
I write in my journal.
I write in my journal.
I think about my day.
I think about my day.
I feel grateful.
I feel grateful.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I use my phone for a few minutes.
I use my phone for a few minutes.
I set my alarm.
I set my alarm.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I close my eyes.
I close my eyes.
I breathe slowly.
I breathe slowly.
I feel calm.
I feel calm.
I fall asleep.
I fall asleep.
Those are 80. We have 20 more.
And these 20 are about how we feel or how often we do things.
Yes, these sentences help you add more detail.
Let's hear them.
I always wake up early.
I always wake up early.
I never skip breakfast.
I never skip breakfast.
I sometimes take a nap.
I sometimes take a nap.
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I rarely watch TV in the afternoon.
I rarely watch TV in the afternoon.
I often meet friends on weekends.
I often meet friends on weekends.
I enjoy my daily routine.
I enjoy my daily routine.
I want to learn new things.
I want to learn new things.
I feel happy when I speak English.
I feel happy when I speak English.
I try to practice every day.
I try to practice every day.
I am learning slowly.
I am learning slowly.
I make mistakes, but that's okay.
I make mistakes, but that's okay.
I am getting better.
I am getting better.
I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I listen to English podcasts.
I listen to English podcasts.
I repeat sentences out loud.
I repeat sentences out loud.
I feel more confident.
I feel more confident.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can do this.
I can do this.
That's 100 sentences, but we don't need to remember all of them today.
Exactly. The idea is to take one or two that feel like your own life.
To the audience, maybe you wake up at 6. Maybe you make tea, not coffee. You can change the sentences. They are your sentences.
So here's a small challenge. Choose 3 sentences from today that describe your morning. Say them slowly to yourself.
Remember, you don't have to speak fast. Fast is not the goal. The goal is to feel comfortable, to let the words come out without fear.
And if you want to hear these sentences again, you can replay this episode. Or you can pause and repeat as many times as you like.
Thank you for spending this time with us. You are building your English one sentence at a time.
And we have a question for you. What is one thing you do every morning? Write it in the comments. Just one sentence.
And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who also wants to speak about their day in English.
Goodbye, everyone.
This is Daniel
And Mia.
from Speaker of English. Keep practicing, be kind to yourself, and we'll speak again soon.